Hello and welcome to our video on the tongue. The tongue is one of the most fascinating organs in the human body, and it plays a crucial role in a variety of functions, from speech and taste to digestion and oral hygiene. In this video, we will explore the anatomy of the tongue, its different parts, and the important roles it plays in our daily lives. Anatomy of the tongue. The tongue is a muscular organ that is located in the mouth, and it is attached to the floor of the mouth by a membrane called the lingual frenulum. It is covered by a mucous membrane that is rich in tiny bumps called papillae, which contain the taste buds that allow us to perceive different flavors. The tongue is divided into several parts, including the tip, blade, dorsum, root, and pharyngeal part, each of which has different functions. Functions of the tongue. The tongue has several functions, including speech, taste, and digestion. One of the most important functions of the tongue is speech, as it helps us form words and articulate sounds. The tongue also plays a key role in taste perception, as it contains the taste buds that allow us to distinguish between sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami flavors. Additionally, the tongue helps us chew and swallow food by pushing it towards the back of the mouth and into the throat, where it is then swallowed and enters the digestive system. Tongue health and hygiene. Maintaining good tongue health is crucial for overall oral hygiene. Brushing your tongue regularly helps remove bacteria and food particles that can cause bad breath and other oral health problems. In addition, certain tongue conditions such as glossitis, thrush, and geographic tongue can cause discomfort and require medical treatment. By practicing good oral hygiene and paying attention to changes in your tongue's appearance or function, you can ensure that your tongue remains healthy and functional. In conclusion, the tongue is a fascinating organ that plays an important role in speech, taste, digestion, and oral hygiene. Understanding its anatomy, functions, and proper care can help you appreciate this often overlooked organ and maintain good overall health. Thank you for watching our comprehensive guide to the tongue, and we hope you found it informative and useful.